Oh my goodness, the panic continues. There's more fractions. Why are you doing this to me? I can hear you now. Come on, smarten up. Look, it's just a 2. Multiply both sides by the common denominator, which is 2, and check this out. Look how this is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. 2 times 3 works out to be 6x. What's half of 2? Yeah, 1. Don't forget, the other side too. That equals to 10. Look how pretty that becomes, even though you've eliminated the fraction. That's so wonderful. Look at this. Common denominator. What is it? 3 and 4. It's got to be 12. Oh, so this is going to be a little bit more complicated. Whippy skippy. Whippy doo. 12 times a third. Look at that. 12 times 1 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. This is going to be equal to 4. So this works out to be 4x. Look at this one over here. 12 times a quarter. Do the same thing. 12 times a quarter. Look at that. Look at this. And if you want, you can even use cancellation law on this part. 4 goes into itself once. Goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. This is going to be 3. Oh, man, that's not tough at all. And look at the last one. Don't forget, the 12's got to be times 3. So 3 times 12, that's going to be 36. There it is. Pretty. Oh, look how gorgeous this is. Absolutely beautiful. Now all you have to decide is how you're going to eliminate things. And you know what? Let's eliminate the x's this time. I eliminated the y's last time. Let's eliminate the x's this time. We could do it. Sure, why not? It's going to be a little bit tougher, but so what? You know the commonality between 6 and 4 is 12, so multiply this by 3, multiply this by 2. But wait a second, that's going to leave both of these as positive numbers. So pick one to be negative so you can just add them later. It makes it a whole heck of a lot simpler. Let's make that a negative. So this guy up here, let's do this first. 2 times 6 times minus y times 10. Okay, so 2 times 6 is 12x. Times the minus y is minus 2y. Times the 10 equals to minus 20. Oh, sorry, positive 20, right? Then do the same thing to this guy, but remember, you're multiplying by a negative. Okay, so don't forget, minus 3 times 4 works out to be minus 12, which is exactly what you wanted. This and this to be opposite signs so they can cancel. Minus 3 times 3y is going to be minus 9y. And now minus 3 times minus 36. Oh my goodness. Minus 3 times minus 36 is going to give you about, I think, 108 or 118. I don't know. Let's bring up the calculator. I'm getting tired and lazy at this point. So minus 3 times 36. Minus 3 times 36. And yeah, I was right. Minus 108. Look at that. There it is. This equals to minus 108 right down there. So here we go. All you got to do is add. That makes it super simple. This guy, of course, is going to cancel. 2y and minus 9y is minus 11y. 20 from 108. Oh, why am I doing this? Well, it's easy. It's minus 88. Come on, grab a brain. Divide by minus 11, divide by minus 11. Y equals to positive 8, and that's what y equals to. Now you can go back and do an x value here. And the one I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to one of the original questions. I know y equals to 8, so let's go back to one of the originals. Let's go to this one. Remember this guy? This is 6x. Let's clean up some room here because, again, like I said before, I like a little bit of cleanliness and room here to work around with. Okay, so we know that y equals to 8. Let's substitute that in. This is 6x minus, there's the substitution of 8. That equals to 10. So you have to add 8 to both sides, add 8 to both sides. That cancels, leaving you 6x equals to 18. And check this out. Divide by 6, divide by 6, x equals to 3. Oh my goodness, a really ugly question becoming quite pretty with its answers. I love it.